welcome back to another video. Today I just need to let y'all know that Hailey Bieber, aka Rogue, is finally sold at Sephora. It was launch day, which is September the 4th. And yes, y'all, she's at Sephora. So of course I had to take advantage, okay? A few days ago, so I'm kind of like getting over a cold. I feel like I still have a lot of mucus up in here, y'all. So if you hear anything sound a little off, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, because they say when you look good, you feel good, okay? 3 days. I had to call off on one day. So I had a total of 3 days off. So I felt like I feel a little better, 100%, but I'm a whole lot better than I was a few days ago. Not sure if I have COVID, the flu, or whatever, because I didn't get tested for anything. I just thugged it out, stayed home and rest. I did leave work early 2 days out of the 4 days. I had a 5-day stretch, but y'all, I couldn't make it. So I say that to say today is Thursday, September the 4th, and I went to Sephora to grab some of the new Roll products. So before I get into that, I'm going to show you all. If y'all don't know, I have a thing for hand sanitizers, y'all. I went to Dollar General because the dollar section at Dollar General is still $1. Like no $1.25, no $1.35, $1. Okay. So I was at the register on the phone running my mouth, and I checked out, and then I looked. I said, yeah, let me see how much these here cost. So they had green apple, and that's not a favorite scent of mine. I don't really care for green apple, and they had rainfall. So I ended up getting the sunflower haze. I got 2 of those. I got the spearmint one and the sunflower haze. Yo, these were $1. Like one single dollar, okay? I didn't do too much. Well, I did more so damage at Sephora because I did go to TJ Maxx because I saw someone vlogging TJ Maxx, and they came across a Skims robe. So I was trying to, fingers crossed, that I find one, that I would have been able to find one, but I didn't. Walk through there just to see what was new. So let's get on to this here haul. So I did get one thing for my daughter. We are getting Roll in our gratis, but I'm not sure what. So I was just telling my daughter, depending on what it is, I'll share. I did get her the glazing milk. She wanted to try this. And y'all, we did have this in the back where we was able to try it. And this glazing milk, y'all, is really, 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 really nice. So daughter ended up liking this here mini version. This mini version is a good size too, y'all. If she end up liking this here mini version, I'll probably just purchase her own set of Roll stuff because I want to try out her skincare because I liked her milky glaze. And then I also like the moisturizer and her spray. I feel like far as gratis, we're gonna get something skincare wise. That's why I kind of went ham on the makeup side of things. I'm getting a blush. I thought the blush packaging was cute. Did I need a blush? Absolutely not, because if you see the amount of blushes I have, you'd be like, you know what? But of course I had to support, okay? The shade Date Cake. It says a little flush, and it's like a little nugget. Like, how cute. So if you darker skin tone, then this will be, if you a little darker than me, this will really show up on you. So yeah. Men, if you are my skin tone or darker, to go in to swatch the shades, because some shades I was like, And I got 3 lips and a lip liner. Now this one here, I got the shade Salty Tan. Let's see what it looks like. Show the shades that I got, and I'm gonna just pick one to share. So I got Salted Tan, I got Rolled Vanilla, and I got Jelly Bean. I got Rolled Vanilla only because of the packaging, y'all. Like, look how cute the packaging is. Like this here, a light pink. And this here is just like a clear color. So I only got, yeah, and it smells like vanilla. Most likely I may pick up her other lips, but for right now I just got what I got. And here is Jelly Bean, And it's like a glittery color. Again, cute packaging. So yeah, here is that. And I think these here retail for like $20. The one I want to try, Salted Tan. Because I have one of her lips, y'all. And when I tell you I use the heck out of that. What this here Salted Tan looks like. Ooh. It's like a typical gloss. I don't know. I mean, it's just a basic gloss, y'all. I mean, it is glossy. But yeah, it's just like a basic gloss. You know, I just wanted to support. Get a lip liner. Let's try the lip liner out. Lip liners, again, I would recommend if you my color and darker to go in and swatch her lip liners. Because she has some dark lip liners, y'all. I was really happy because some people dark is not dark on us. But I got the shade Stretch. And here's the packaging. I don't know if this is a little too dark. Maybe I should have got a darker one. I don't know about the lip. This is not dark enough. Because I like to go for that. I don't know about the lip liner. Tie it up. Oh, okay. And these here, the gray packaging, these smell like what they say. This one here is the vanilla. So here's that shade. I don't know. I'm not like a dark lip person. Like I would need like a light pink in the middle and then put like a little gloss in the middle. I'm going to play with these behind the scene because I'm not sure about the lip liner. I may need to go a little darker for what I'm going for. I don't know. I'm not feeling this lip. Well, I might as well go ahead and try all of them on. Let's try the jelly bean. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, the jelly bean cute. So all of them are giving clear gloss, okay? Like, yeah, they all giving kind of like a clear gloss vibe. So, too sure about the Salted Tan one. All look the same. Like, they all look the same. Honestly, I like the jelly bean and I like the peptide, the gray packaging one. So, I may grab another one from the pink, the gray collection. Sure about this one. I'll have to try it again. But yeah, it's just a gloss. I mean, it's nothing, I don't know, to run home to mom about. But, you know, I had to jump on the whole bandwagon because, you know, I'm a content creator and I like to keep up with what's popping. And right now, Roll Beauty is popping. And y'all, let me tell you, this here jelly bean, it smells like candy. Because as I'm talking, I'm getting a whiff of candy vibes. So, yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and share what I bought and what else been going on, y'all. I did buy a Prada lipstick, but I ain't sure about this here Prada lipstick because I don't know. I have my little Prada bag to go along with the Prada lipstick, but I don't know. It's like kind of a little loose. It is a refill, so it's like a little loose. So I don't know. But here's the Prada packaging. This here lipstick was $50, y'all. I got it because I have the Prada pouch and I wanted it to, like, you know, I wanted that whole Prada theme. Just trying to push through. I have 2 days to work and I will be working through this whole road coming to Sephora weekend, y'all. I am not looking forward to this whole thing because I don't know if it's going to be crazy crowded or what, but I'll insert a video here. We do have it in our store and it looks so pretty. So I hope and pray them girls do not come into our store and trash that rose section, okay? The skincare section. So yeah, I'm hoping and praying they come in there and act like they got sense, which I don't think is going to happen though, because I don't know. They tear up everything else, you know. But my job was concerned because it was something going on social media that kids were going to skip school to come get rolled because they were scared that it was going to be sold out. And I was like, if I see parents bringing their daughters to Sephora during school hours, I was going to look like, yes, I was going to look and judge. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Because I'd be damned if I had my daughter miss a day of school for a beauty launch. Like, absolutely not. Like, call me old fashioned, call me crazy, but absolutely not. No, 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 no. Because what we can do, we can place an online order and do a store pickup, or we can go when you get out of school. But for you to miss a day of school, absolutely not. No, 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 no. So I think parents sent their kids to school. Now, after school, I'm not sure how the job is because my friend had texted me this morning and was like, it's quiet. And I said, good. Because come on, y'all. So now it's 4, almost 5 o'clock. So who knows how Sephora is now? Not doing that. Like, we not missing a day of school for no damn beauty. No beauty products. I'm sorry. Like, absolutely not. But yeah, I'm about to see and play. I'm about to sit and play with this makeup so I can see if I need to switch anything out because I do work tomorrow. I did do a unboxing. Not an unboxing. I did a haul on my TikTok and Instagram. Make sure you are following me on both. So yeah, y'all, I don't know what else to talk about. I'm not sure what else to talk about, but this tear. This is what I'm wearing today, y'all, and I really love this tear foundation, y'all. It's really good. They do sell this at Ulta, and y'all, so far so good, y'all. And it's only $25. Like, and it's a Korean brand. And if y'all know anything about Korean skincare or whatever, it's always 10 out of 10. So yeah, I highly recommend that particular brand. I do have the setting spray. And again, I love a good setting spray. I have a few setting sprays. I'm that person. It's a good setting spray, y'all. Like, it don't even matter. I just love a good setting spray, y'all. With that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this here video. It was really short and sweet. Like I said, I just bought a few things, but I'm gonna go ahead and play with it because I just want to make sure it's something that I want to keep. Because I'm not sure about these lips. Because I swear, all three of these lips look the same, like literally the same. And again, I may have to get a darker shade in the lip liner because it wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So yeah, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm just exhausted. Like, I just need for this here mucus or whatever going on to just completely go away. But I thank God I feel a lot better where I can knock these 2 days off and go to work, and then I'm off Sunday, Monday. So with that being said, I will talk to y'all in the next video. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.